Making a professional photo ID of yourself can feel like a lot of work. Typically, you find yourself scheduling a time-consuming visit to a photo studio, dressing up in professional attire, and painstakingly posing under bright lights. All this effort, only to sometimes end up with a picture you're not entirely happy with. It's frustrating, isn't it? But what if you could skip all the hassle and still get a perfect professional photo for free? Introducing AI Photo ID app, developed by Anakin AI. Now, with just a few clicks, you can transform any regular portrait into a polished professional profile picture perfect for LinkedIn, resumes, or any professional setting. Using the AI Photo ID app is really simple. Just go to anakin.ai and sign up with your email. Then, click on the link provided in the comment section to jump straight to the AI Photo ID app. Now, all you have to do is upload your photo and hit the Generate button. It's that easy. Let me show you the process. I have generated an image of a girl using our AI Artist app. I will try to convert this image into a professional ID picture. First, let me download this image to my device. Now, I will go back to the AI Photo ID app and upload the image of the girl from my device. Since it's a picture of a girl, I do not need to change the prompt. Let's hit the Generate button. It takes about 20 to 30 seconds to generate the picture. Here's what it looks like. If you don't get an image, that's because the safety checker for generated images is enabled by default. Disable it, and you will get the generated image. Now let's try this AI Profile Pic Generator app with some celebrity images. I will upload this image of Chris Hemsworth and tweak the prompt a bit. Let's see how it comes out. Wow, this looks absolutely amazing. Let's try it with Sydney Sweeney. What do you think of this image? Let me know in the comments. You can use this app for free as Anakin AI gives you 30 free credits daily. If you need more, you can subscribe to one of our affordable plans and use our comprehensive suite of AI tools designed to meet all your needs in one place. Whether you're looking to generate creative content, images, or even build powerful AI apps without any coding knowledge, Anakin AI has you covered. We offer over 1,000 pre-built AI apps tailored for various needs and industries. We ensure that no matter who releases a new AI model, you can always test and use it on Anakin AI. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this amazing AI tool. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting AI tools, updates, and tutorials. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest features and special offers.